Hello amazing humans, welcome to the second video in this series for gentle chair moves for back pain relief, where we're teaching your brain new options for movement. We're working smarter, not harder, to help your brain rewire old painful movement patterns and create new pain-free ones. So in the first video, we explored the rounding and arching of the spine and how the spine is connected to the pelvis and the head. In this chair moves, we'll explore the twisting of the spine. And each of these movements is helping your brain collect an experience of how your spine can move pain-free. So let's get started. All you need is a chair to sit in. Remember to have your feet flat on the floor, comfortable. And if you are in a chair with a backrest, just scooch a little bit forward to the edge of the chair so your back can move free. And let's do a reference movement of simply taking a look very slowly to the right. So you're looking to the right as far as is comfortable. And this movement can be painful for a lot of people. A lot of people have neck pain. And if this is you, please go slow and do less. The brain doesn't learn new movement patterns when it's in pain. So if you can only turn your head to take a look to the right this far, that's as far as you go. That's fine. These movements aren't about quantity, they're about the quality of the movement. So go slow, be kind to yourself, and let's learn some new information. So once you've gone slowly to the right, to look to the right and just seen how far that you can go comfortably, stop, and then slowly turn to the left and just take a look towards your left shoulder and stop wherever it's comfortable. Again, don't push past where you're comfortable, just simply stop. And you can do it a few times just to see if there's a difference from one side to the other. Usually there is. For myself personally, I can look much further to my right than my left, but you see for yourself what is true for you. I have to stop on the left, quite a bit different than my right. What is true for you? And also as you're doing this, take a notice of what part of your spine is actually moving to help you look to the right and to the left. So you might feel a lot of movement in the neck. Do you feel any movement in your middle spine, in your lower spine? Where do you not feel movement? So I don't feel any movement in my lower spine at all. It's mostly just my upper vertebrae that are moving to accomplish this movement. And then that's great. Just pause and rest in your neutral position. And let's give your brain some new information to wake up that spine. So simply take your hands, put your right hand on your left shoulder and your left hand on your right shoulder. And again, make sure you're comfortable. So if you can only hold down here, that's fine, or even your elbows, wherever is the most comfortable for you. And in this position, slowly turn to look to the right. And notice already if something's different. Maybe you notice that your elbows and your shoulders are moving to the right as well. And then slowly turn your head to look to the left. Notice if anything feels different, and then turn to look to the right, and just slowly turn to look to the left and to the right, continuing to go at your own speed and stopping wherever you feel the most comfortable. And notice what part of your spine is moving now. So do you feel your neck moving, but also do you feel your middle spine moving a little bit more than it did before? Now I'm noticing as I go to the left, I can see way further because it woke up this section here of my spine, right in between my shoulder blades and my middle back. It wasn't moving before, and now all of a sudden this position is reminding my brain that I have an entire spine that can help me with this movement of turning to look behind me to the right and to the left. Notice for you what parts of your body are waking up to the possibilities. What parts of your spine weren't moving before that might be moving a little bit now. Or maybe you're just more aware of that part of your spine too. Sometimes the awareness comes before the movement. Remember to go nice and slow. Again, do the movements as more of a curiosity and information gathering than a go faster, go harder. It's not about the quantity of the movement, it's about the quality. So some of you may only be able to go a little bit to the left and to the right. That's fine. Your brain is still collecting that information of how each vertebrae can be coordinated with your entire body. And that's wonderful. You can come back to the middle, just put your hands in a neutral position and take a rest. And just feel if there's anything different about how you're sitting. Maybe your shoulders are a little bit lower. Maybe some parts of your spine are sort of tingling or feel alive. And then when you're ready, simply turn to look over your shoulder to the right and just notice how much further are you going now. I'm going way farther than before because you might be noticing more of your spine is participating. Your shoulders might be turning with the movement. It's not just your neck moving now. You were able to wake up your spine to realize that your shoulders can turn too, to help you look to the right and to the left. And just notice, I'm going way further to the left. Notice what's true for you when you're doing this gentle movement of looking to the left and to the right. How much of your spine do you feel? Does your spine feel more awake, more alive? More of your middle spine participating? Maybe even your lower spine might be moving a little bit too. Your brain has recognized the old movement pattern of only moving your top vertebrae, only your neck, to turn your head, into remembering that you have an entire spine. You have all of those amazing vertebrae to turn to help you to look to the left and to the right more comfortably with more ease. And honestly, we're going to stop with that one because it's such an easy win and such an easy way to remind your brain to wake up to the possibilities of how your whole spine can move. And of course, there's other fun ways to wake up the rest of the spine, but I want to keep these videos short and sweet to let you feel a difference with only a few movements. So if you noticed a difference in the distance or the quality of your movement of looking to the right and to the left, congratulations, you just experienced brain plasticity. So you were able to give your brain new information that helped to rewire an old painful movement pattern. It didn't take force and it didn't hurt. So can you imagine the potential of these brain-based movements? The opportunity for your brain to learn new ways to move is truly unlimited. So in the next video, we're going to explore a third way to move your spine. We've gone over rounding and arching. In this video, we explored twisting. And in the next video, we're going to explore bending side to side. So amazing brain work. We'll see you in the next video.